on three, get on three.
1, 2, 3, go!
Early ball.
Come on, boy. No, pressure on him. Early, too slow. There you go, Greg, go. Hey, good job, Greg, good job.
Dude, you have
Blue
to
ball.
Jake, give me a second yard right now.
Good job, Calvin.
Way to get it, Calvin. Go, man.
Get open for him.
Back.
Daddy can help you. Daddy will help.
Put him down, Joe. Roll them up.
Yeah, I'll try.
Go, mate. Early ball. Early.
Good job, Greg. Get in there. There you go. Get in there, Greg. Get in there.
Get it back.
Why? Do it.
Nice, Calvin.
Right, good. Go behind, right, good.
Love it, well done, mate.
Go, Greg. Get him out of there.
Hey, wait, run it back. Everyone run it back.
Out.
Hey, 2 men.
Step out.
Hey, Dylan, push it. Dylan.
You should already know what foot the
Get it back up. Get it down. Get it under control, White.
Early, Sonny. There you go.
Go, my legs. Down the line.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Go down the line. Keep going. Keep going.
Nice, Kevin. Good pass.
Go. Shot.
Get it. Oh. Good try,
There.
Jake.
Come out.
Let it go out. Drop off, Kyle. Drop now.
Gonna go. Pressure.
Now that's you, Danny. Jump on the ball. Play the way you want him to.
Yeah, Greg. Right him. There you go.
Yeah,
Greg.
And it. Connect, guys, connect.
Nice.
Kevin.
The line, on the line.
Do it.
Nice. Right left.
TJ, early seat. Sonny, get on.
Go, Reed.
Wow. The goal box went all the way out there.
Yeah. It's a short field. Not bad.
Greg, down the other side. Greg, go forward. Kelvin, come out now.
Get up.
Kelvin, go bigger there, mate. You've got to go bigger.
Let's keep it here!
Well done, Alex. That's fine. Go, mate. Side. Good. There he is, go get it. Just be a pace for it. Just be a pace.
Good check.
Just be a
Early, let's go!
Come back.
Danny, get on!
Right, well done. Now you've got to work hard, Dennis, get it back.
That's it, I've been getting the right side of the
Well done, Alex.
Whip, quick!
Nice side there. And it. And it.
Nice, Kyle!
Get in the box, Dennis, get in the box.
Get it out! Kyle! Jake! Push up! Jake! Back! Stand on, guys. Spread out. Earlier, Ben. Earlier!
There you go. Don't give up. Let's go.
Pass to White.
Greg, go in, Greg! Take it at him, Greg! You're 1-on-1, Greg! Go at him, Greg, and get to the byline and cross the ball! Greg! Work harder, take him on! Go on the outside, you're left footed!
Back we get midfield, back we get.
Nice ball.
Go, Jake!
No,
Good ball,
come
Jake.
on, Greg. Phil, join in. He needs help.
Shoot! Come on, get back in there!
Let him go, Greg. Greg, as long as you can see him in the ball, that's fine. Kelvin! Talk to him, Kyle!
I am.
Louder!
Guys. Look sharper off the ball, slow the game down the top.
Time, look wide. Where are you, Greg? There you go. Play the way you face it, well done.
Not me. Talk, White.
Boys.
Yes, that's the ball we want. Well done.
CJ, earlier, Denny.
No. Let's go.
Greg,
Go at him.
Get in the box, then he get to the near post. Go goalie.
Okay, next job then, he's got to go now.
Up we go, lads. Up we go. Come on, Aaron. Push up.
Simple.
Rid of it now. Put it out and start again.
Get down. Good job, Ivan.
Great.
Come on, Greg.
That was out. Come on, ref.
Denny, don't go in there, Denny.
Yeah, all the way over the line.
Step out!
Get out.
Step out! Kelvin, show him to step out! the option there, Kelvin. That's good. Make him play back. Make him play back. Don't let him roll you.
Push up.
Well done. Good.
Hey, Dill.
Now we go. Good. He needs help now, midfield. Don't dribble there.
Great, go away. Go. Okay, don't let him play outside you, Greg. Don't let him play outside you.
Do it.
There
Sonny.
you go. Don't stop. Don't turn your back. There you go. Go hard. Let's go.
What are you guys?
That'll do. Well done. Now hold it up. Relieve the pressure. With the front.
Okay, now.
Man on.
Kevin, don't talk to me. You've got space to get the ball there. So you've got to support him midfield.
You gotta stay
Get up and help him.
closer.
Get up midfield.
Be right on him, Calvin. Don't give him any space.
Go, help him.
Kevin, go. You guys are taking the ball away from each other. That's the line.
Go, Jake.
Hey, Ivan, Kevin, get up!
Pass to White.
That's it, Calvin.
Get in there. Don't let him turn. Ride him, Greg. Go.
Nice try.
Come on, guys.
Be right on him, Calvin. Right on him.
There you go.
That's it.
Let's go.
Nico, drop it.
Pressure. There you go.
Handball.
There you go.
Nico. Get rid of it.
There you go.
Just stay there, Greg. Now we're the thrower, Greg. Strong. Greg. Wide. Greg. Give him an option. Stand there.
Hey, Nico, number 1.
Daniel knows, right?
Hold him out.
Nico. Go, Jenny.
Take it out there with me. Well done.
Come on, guys, pass the feet.
Nice.
Go.
With each other.
Jake, help.
Unlucky, good soccer. Well played.
Calvin. Don't need arm.
Kelvin, step back a couple of yards. So look. Go keeper. Kelvin.
Good, take the throw, quick.
Jump there and just go on. 1, 2. Check. Make space. 1, 2.
Get it out.
I don't know how that ball didn't go in.
Wow.
This is all 5 times that ball should have gone in.
We got lucky there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Gonna go, Alex, you got top. Try and play off that last man. With your eye, okay?
Yeah, you've got to shut down with the space. You see space.
Calvin, stay closer.
I'll have to wait on the... That's coming in and out.
You're so cute.
This game. You want him in?
At halftime. How about halftime? I want to watch the soccer game.
Remember, Jake, channel the energy with the ball. Right? You can't always win it.
Alright, let's get steady now, please.
Kelvin, drop a couple.
Do you have flip-flops?
Big. Ball, Alex.
Oh.
Come on, Anthony. You're better than that.
Nice, guys. Good connecting.
Wide. Drop, Kyle.
Got to win it. You're going to step that far.
You got him, Shane. Nice, Shane.
Now go away. Shane, now go away. Go away.
Well done, Ivan. Back. Jake, get there. Okay, get your body there, Jake. Get your body there.
Good defending, White. Well done. Simple.
A little bit. You've got to release the ball earlier, Gustavo, and then you'll get it back earlier. That will make more space for you.
Good.
Okay. Bad luck, Kelvin. That's all right. It's on your left foot.
Find that early.
Anthony, remember you're playing in the middle. Don't go wandering so much like you did yesterday.
Well done. Nice pace.
Greg, you've got to work on that work rate, mate. Okay, remember this is punished for the time you work harder.
Great shot.
Heavy work. It's harder.
Good save.
That means you don't have to go right round the man. So if I want to get past Kevin, and he's here,
Oh.
I'm attacking him.
Oh my God.
I'm going to get him here. I'm going to shift it round here. And all I'm going to do is swing it around.
Square.
Take your time. Relax.
Okay, now it's going the other way. You've got support, Alex. You've got to get over there, Alex. Alex, you've got to get in the middle of the field. Go over. Come across that, Alex. That's okay.
Ball's in the air, you can tell. They're running away from the ball. Way in their space.
Good work, Shane.
Alex, you're too far away from Gustavo. You've got to be close to each other.
Yeah, Evan in the middle.
That's it, Calvin.
Play clean.
Stay with him, Calvin. Stay with him.
Early, low. That's you, Jake.
Vamos, vente aquí.
Hey, there, Dylan. Dylan, get him up. Look strong.
Oh. Open.
Took me a shot.
pull.
Come on, Jake.
Good.
Nice, Jake.
Keep going.
Go, you got it, buddy. You got it. Keep going. Good work.
Back and home.
Right? He does get passes, he does get a chance.
Jake, he's goal side.
Sonny, send me up. There we go. Good job. Let's go, Caps.
There you go, Jake.
Nico's looking! Nico's looking, send it!
That's good.
Find him again! Find him again!
Relax. Bill, get out.
Go, Jake. Back post. Get in there.
Come on, Jake.
Halfway line, boys. Halfway line. Hey. Slow it down.
Yeah, Jake. Jake, top.
Go with him, Calvin, go with him.
If you can,
Stop.
Hey, guys!
Alex, go to the ball.
Go, go, go! Go, Denny! Jake, get in the back.
Jake, well done, Jake.
Forward, mate. Forward.
Get it across.
Go, where's the ball? Nico, bring him in! Bring Nico in, please!
Get close, Calvin.
Nico's looking.
What is he doing?
Okay, slow it down. Stop, Nate. Stop.
I think it's really tough for the rain right there.
Yeah.
All the
Nathan,
bouncing weird.
slow down. Take your time. We need the midfield to get up.
Yeah. Good job.
He's doing a great job.
Good job, Alex.
Just to show you know these two.
Go, Jake. Go, Jake, get a shot.
Go.
Good try, bud.
Oh, well, White, well done.
Jake, shoulders up. Win it, Wade. Go, go, go.
High kick. High kick.
High kick.
Jake, find the split.
Nice knee.
Relax. Get it down and play. Get it down and play. Thank you. Good.
Way to fight, Shane. Stay with it.
Yeah, the guy's there.
He's probably thinking in the box, thinking it's automatic.
That's fine. It's got to go to the side, so they say every time.
Jake, talk.
Guys, get it down and
Lonnie,
play.
outside.
First, forget about the goal now. Let's keep the ball.
Do it!
Guard!
That's it, Calvin.
Get it down and play. Get it down and play.
What was that? For halftime.
30 seconds.
Calvin. Calvin.
Angles.
Aaron, your ball. Thank you.
Come on, Jake.
Got Chase.
Go, go, go. Come on, White.
Make way down the field again.
Come on, White.
Give him options, White. Look for the short pass, Jake.
Off the shoulder!
Over here. Press it over here.
That's a tough one, David. Up there, that one. Stop on it.
Push!
Concentrate. Wait. Defend!
Pull him out.
He's waiting. You've got to work harder. Nathan, well done. Better, mate. Well done. Up we get.
Jake, go.
Halfway line.
What are you doing, Greg? You still got to move.
Well done, Kevin.
You know the rule book?
That's fine. Well done. Well done, Gustavo. Well done, White. Keep going. Good stuff. Greg, where are you playing?
Do you like this?
Open your
Him
body.
in the ball. You stand half on.
Other way. Other way, Jake.
There you
There you
go.
go.
Travel.
That's it. Now we get up. Now we want to play over here. Let's do everything that we were doing back there, but let's do it up
Is
here.
that Kevin? Alex, remember, he's going to send it to the corner. Go, go. There you go.
Man
Get
up.
on, Kyle.
Oh.
Gotta be quicker, mate. Gotta be quicker.
Oh, go.
Good, Kelvin. Good, Kelvin.
Handball. Oh, that one.
Come on, White.
A little bit quicker, lads. A little bit quicker. Strong. Wide.
There you go, man. Coming. Get on.
Go. Give it a go. Let's go.
Luke, hey, quit! Upfield!
Good, Jake. Well done, mate.
Go, Kevin, right there.
Come on, Jake.
Your ball. Let's go.
Fast, guys.
Let's get our positions then. Relax, Jake.
Take the run, Kevin.
Chase, go run.
Take that out of
Chase, run.
Good start to the half, right?
Keep going, Chase. Keep going.
Kevin, well done, mate. Good, high pressure, let's go, let's get up. High pressure, and we win it, there you go.
Turn your back.
Turn it back. End it. Got to end that chase there, mate. Simple. Just running past your midfield. They're bigger, they're stronger, they're older, so we've got to be quicker.
Getting a lot of balls.
Kyle! Behind you, Kyle! Get that. Simple. Come in and Jake, come here. Don't dive in.
Come on, Jake.
Well done, Kevin. Hey, well done, well done.
Boom. Hey, up here, Daniel, up here. Turn the face, turn the face.
My bad, man.
Oh, honey.
Go. Get in there. There you go.
Gustavo, well done, mate. Good, well done. Now get up. Up.
Hey, Daniel, why? Jake, why? Switch, Jake.
Right, pressure rights. Well done. Now we go. Get up. Back three. Back four. Get up.
Jake, get that post.
Get up. Jake, get up. Back post. Halfway line.
Get in there, Jake.
Get in, Jake. Get there, Chase. Got to work hard, Chase. Get there, Chase.
Out.
Relax, Nate. Relax. Get out, White. Let's go.
Well done, Nathan. Well done. Relax. Take off. Ref, look at your assistant, please. He's trying to help you.
Rev. Go.
He's trying to assist you. That's better.
Go, Jake, make the run. Man on.
Oh, Alex.
Better than guys.
There you go. Come on, Kenny. Come on.
Use the pass, right? Alex.
Chase, come on.
Now we go, you've got to turn it. Bad luck.
Simple.
Time. Back. Go on, Mr. Father.
White.
Nice, Shane. You want to sit on my lap? Nice, Kyle. Good job, Nick. Chase, get ready. Man on. Man ready.
Big. Good man. Get up, midfield. Get up. Hey, we're too deep. Get up. Back four. Get up.
Control.
Good, Kevin. Good, Kevin.
Go, Jake.
Hey, defence. We're too deep. Shane, get up. I know you're tired, mate. Get up. Relax.
Shane, you're making your job harder if you don't step
Good
out.
ball, Kyle.
On side.
Go.
You're going to have to run back. Get this side in.
Oh, not too far, mate. Where are you? Get back now. Come on.
Chase now, shoot. Now shoot, chase.
Great work in that. Well done. Hey, James, do you understand what Ollie's saying? Drop off a little bit, guys. Drop off a little bit. No, drop off. That's good. Well done. And then we win it. Good.
Switch the ball!
Now we go to the halfway line. Hold on, lads. That's fine. You can walk. Now get a breather. Now get a breather. Chase, drop off a little bit, mate. Chase, drop off. Great work in field. Forwards. Great work. Drop off, Kyle. Drop off.
Now get out the bench.
Now take your time, mate. Sides, please, mate. Every time, sides.
Daniel! Oh, it says Daniel. Here, Daniel. Daniel, why? Split! Come on, Jake.
Nice. Great, not that. It's turn.
Luke,
Win it.
here.
Hold on, mate. Play the way you're facing. Good. Take your time. Relax. You've got that time. Utilise it, yeah? Come back. That's not a bad idea, guys. Over we go. Jake, that's not a bad idea, mate. Well done. Hey, it's really good, White. Keep going. Really good. Keep your work rate up.
No, the ball is not.
Blow the whistle!
Come on, ref, look at your side line. Hey,
Look at your
side
line!
line.
Look at your linesman!
George, look at your lineman.
That's a favour, eh? You thought it was a goal kick.
Yeah, hurry. Come on, man. Go, baby. You got it, baby. You got it.
Get your head up. Get your head up.
Jake!
Nice.
Good ball, Jake.
Well done, Jake.
He's not number 13.
Well played. Unlucky. Well done, boy. Good.
Nice, Shane. Stand him up, buddy. You got it, Kyle.
Big. Good man, well done.
Come on, Jake.
Go.
Go, make the run, honey.
Ref, look at your sideline.
Don't get pulled into the wall, centre back.
He's on the field.
Stronger, Chase. Stronger.
Jake, tuck.
Now it goes.
Nice, Kyle.
Good man.
Nice, go, Jake. Make the run.
Get round it. Look wide. Good.
Go, Jake.
Gustavo's there.
Look at Gustavo. Unlucky, right idea. Push up, Shane. Push up. Join in, Jake. Join in. No Gus will cause problems.
Space. In. Blow it in.
Now midfield's got to get back.
Get back, Jack.
Drop off. No, drop off.
What's looking?
Out of way, Kyle.
Drop off.
Tuck into midfield. Drop, Kevin. Come on, don't make me mad. Off your shoulders now.
Go on, White. It's really good. Got him rattled.
Chase. Head, it goes further, straight away. You can't control everything, okay? Don't get pulled in wide.
Thank you. More, mother.
Hey, great work, White. Let's keep the ball in their half. Keep that high pressure going.
Header.
Chase, same there, Chase. It's got a head.
Join in, get in the box.
Head it, it goes back further.
Put our feet on it? Keep my feet warm? Thank you. Here we go.
Yes, Header. On your shoulder.
End it, Chase, end it, end it.
Oh, Chase.
In front of the ball. Nice shit, Chase.
Time, Nate. Concentrate, Nathan. Get up, back four, get up.
Go, Jake.
Be strong. Be strong, good, well done.
Come on, Jake.
What are you facing?
Go.
Tremendous. Really good ball. Joe! Come on, come on.
Come on, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, you Oh my god, good save.
Oh, that's a high. Get back midfield, get back midfield.
Nice, Kyle. Go midfield.
Keep going a little bit. That's it, now you can press.
Get it out.
End it.
Right side. Right side, 0 goal.
Oh, dude, we're at Rock and this.
Hey, great ball, well played. Just keep him in this half, White. Great. Rebound. Jake, you've got to get back, help him out, Jake, help him out.
Jake, yeah, you gotta go back and help, honey.
No, Russell, you got too many. Mate. Hey, get up, back four.
Nice, wipe out, go.
Where are you going?
Go, Denny!
Now relax, now keep your breather in on the halfway line.
Get it across.
Oh! Unlucky. Hey, we'll keep knocking at the door, let's keep going.
Where are you facing? Easy, Kelvin!
There we go.
Overlap someone!
That'll do you. Hey, Shane, no more. Come on, no more.
One of you. Shane.
Shane, still on the halfway line.
Drop back, Shane. You're going to have to do that run. Drop, Shane. Drop. Put it up.
Connect to white. Gotta touch it.
Last 5-10 minutes. Keep working at it.
Gotta win it, white.
Good, lad. Send it. Good. Now get up. Go on, high pressure. Oh, unlucky. Keep on!
Get it out! Go, Jake, green option.
Send it! Mate, well done, mate. Really good. I know you're working hard. Keep going. 5 minutes. Keep working hard.
Come on, White.
Get there, Chase. Work hard. Send it again.
Nice try, nice.
Hey, well done. Boom. Well done. Take your time, Jake.
Go now. Keep going, Jake. Start running into that space, Shane. Do it now. At the same time.
Good enough. Get there. Drop off, back 3, back 4, drop off. Good. Get up, back 4, get up.
Come on, White. Go, Jake.
Get up, back forward, 2 deep. Get up. Not just over, up as well. Dive in.
Come on, go White.
Big tackle. That's our ball, well done. Chase, well done, mate.
One goes in, one goes out, guys.
Step up.
Pressure.
High pressure.
Go, Denny.
Love it. Hey, Shane, I know it's hard work.
Jake, get in there.
Keep going, that's fine. Keep going. You've worked too hard, right? Back we come, midfield. You've got to work hard, midfield.
Sprint past them, Ivan. Back and then you can rest.
Well done, now we rest. Well done. Relax.
Push on, Jake. Push on, Jake.
Jake, just be aware.
Push on, Jake. Push on. Cheat a little bit, Jake. Then do it.
Jake, this is your runner. Jake, this is your mark.
Great step, Chase.
Go, Chase. What a big step, Chase.
Great hustle. Hey, let's everyone put that energy in. Well done, mate. Really good, mate. Jake, let Shane have it. Here we go.
Jake, you go up.
Bad ball, but you could be up there receiving that, mate.
Go, Denny.
Good ball.
Now take it, Jake. Take your time. Set it up.
Back post.
Go, Jake. Jake, just sit, Jake. Stay in, Jake. You're the halfway line. Stay there, Kyle. Follow it. Fine. Go centre.
Nice ball.
Get it in. Oh, good ball, buddy.
Nice hit.
Corner, you guys.
Go on, Greg. Go on.
It's hard to tell.
It's great stuff, White. Keep going. Last couple.
I don't have this.
Well done. Good. Great challenge, Jake.
Go, go, go!
Go on, Jake.
Go, send it! Go, Jake, to the goal!
Watch the line, watch the line, watch the line.
Oh, nobody's there. Jake, you gotta take that.
First time or not at all, Jake. Unlucky. Turn and face it. Get another chance. Get another chance. Last 2 minutes, lads. Work on. Good.
You're in, White. You're in.
Challenge!
Seconds, Kevin. Man on.
Get that, Kev. Great. Be strong, great defending.
Get it out, Kyle, get it out!
Simple!
Jake, come down.
White ball.
Good job, Kyle.
Hey, great defending. In off road.
Working twice as hard, guys.
Come on, guys.
Hold it up, Kenny.
Go, Jake.
Send it. Well played, White. It's really good.
Go, guys! Go, Denny! That's just 2. Yep.
One more minute.
Just
Go, go!
We score right there.
keep your concentration. Doesn't stop now.
Come on, don't let up! Stay with your mark!
Work hard. That's fine, no foul, just send them away. Love it, well done, Gustavo. Just keep concentrating now, White's last couple.
Yeah. I think that sounds about right. Maybe it's for something.
Go long. Good man, well done. Now the midfield's got to get back, Kevin. Drive them talking to each other. Gregory talking.
Good. Good.
Get it out!
And handball.
Handball there. You got to blow that whistle.
Stand up.
Get it out! No foul!
Stand up, Chase, stand up.
Come on, Jake. Stand him up. Stand him up. There you go. There you go. Go. There you go.
That away.
Well played, lads. Well done.
Nice game, Jake.
Chase, awesome play,
The only goal is just
But it just, we're in the right place. Joe, guys.
on Facebook.
Hey, good game. Good game, guys.
Good job, boys.
Good.